What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt Steffanina here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you my new choreography, To Please Me by Cardi B and Bruno Mars. Check it out. So guys, this has been one of the most requested dances, and today I'm gonna break it down for you step by step. Now, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button. Also, find me on Instagram, because I've been doing a lot of specific videos just for Instagram these days, at Matt Steffanina. And let us know in the comments what tutorials you wanna learn next. We've been reading your comments every single video to find out what I should teach you guys next time. Of course, the video to the actual music, the link is down in the description, because you know they'd be blocking us on the channel if we put any music. So I'm gonna teach it to you guys, and then I'll send you over back to the main channel. But this one's super fun, so if you guys are ready to start learning it, let's head to the studio right now. All right guys, so as you know, this is Cardi's verse. Her lyrics are always very inspirational. I get a lot of my movement ideas from Cardi. First thing she's gonna say, lollipop. So you're gonna go like this. You're gonna step on your left and your arms are gonna pull up, and then you're gonna step on your right and they're gonna lift up like this. I don't know what that has to do with a lollipop, but the timing is gonna go right on her lyrics. So you're gonna go 7, 8, you hold the 1, it's gonna go lollipop, then there's gonna be 2 clicks. Click, you hit down, click, you hit down again, and you step in. Now this lyric, we're actually gonna connect our movement to. She says twerking in some J's. You're gonna go twerking, smack your leg, in some J's, bring it down, and then it's gonna be 2 bases, doom, doom. So I'm hitting my hip and my knee in twice. Think booty up, up. Then you're gonna go whoop on this. Then she's gonna say Anna, that's Anna. She's gonna say dance floor. And you're just gonna get sexy for a second. Give a couple body rolls. Hands are kind of freestyle, but something over your head is nice because it's gonna set you up for this next move, which goes click. You just step across, your right hand pulls back, and then you're gonna go right, left, and look right on the first one, and then look center when you do this next one. Then I'm gonna give you a little more, and then we'll go back, I promise. You're gonna push this down, your knees are gonna come in. You're gonna throw your arms up to step, step, time with it. So this is like on purpose, stupidly on the lyrics, right? So this, you just do a little fun thing. She's gonna say time with it, ow, like that. So you're gonna go time, you step out to the right, or lean to the right. You're gonna go with it. You're gonna point at your imaginary rolly, then she's gonna say, ow, you're just gonna bring this over like this. And if you have like a partner, if you're doing this in a duet, this is a good moment to kind of like check in with your partner, say what's up. All right, that was a lot of steps, so let's go back slow from the top. You go 6, 7, 8, you hold the 1. She says, lollipop, click, click, in some J's, doom, doom on the dance floor, top, 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 down, throw. Boom, I take my time with it, ow. Good, from here, shoot, you're gonna bring your arms across, slide your left foot in. I'm gonna come here to like old school bad b-boy pose, shoot. When I did this with Trinity and Tori, they kind of made it like girlier, so feel free to adjust that to fit you. Then you're gonna hit 2 bases. You're gonna go doom, doom. So on first one, I'm dropping down to the right, then I center back up. Then I'm gonna push this leg around, little rond de jambe with my hands, pushing around like this, to go cross and down. She says, young, dumb-ish, clean version, young, dumb-ish. Then you go top, top, bring your hands up. Then your hands are up here, you're gonna pull through them. Through them, your right knee comes up, little prep, hit the bases, base, base, to pull in. So this whole thing, after we go, ow, you're going, ooh, right away. It goes, doom, doom on some young, dumb-ish, top, top, right, left, pull, and base, base, 2. Then really easy from here. She says, taking it low, taking it slow, something like that. That's wrong, but you get the idea. Down and here. So we're going from like really aggressive and clean on this, boom, 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 really sharp. And then you're like, hey, chill out. Hey, chill out. And then she says, I'm back again. So you're literally just like, mostly attitude on this. The step is easy, but back, you step. Again, then she's gonna say, hey, you're gonna come over like this to bring your right leg out twice. Bop, bop, bop. So notice how like, this choreography is not that difficult. A lot of what makes it entertaining is the character you put with it and also the texture. So what texture means is, like for instance, when I do this push and I go ti, ti, ta, click, click, like all these are easy moves. Everybody can do these, right? What we want to do is go zoom on some shoom, 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 cut, cut. So it's like clean, clean, stop, right? Really sharp on this click, click. Then I'm gonna make this smooth. Then I'm gonna be sharp here. Boom, boom, ha. Then I'm gonna be chill here. Chill, chill. Then I'm gonna be clean. A. Then I'm gonna be really big here. A, really full out. And I'm gonna go yeet, 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 right? So that back and forth between like chill and fun and then really aggressive and full out, all that vibe is what makes it cool to watch. So make sure you're adding that in. From here, you're just gonna go left, right, left. This is like a zigzag, deep, deep, deep. Your heels just go with your hands. Then you're gonna dive through, pull back, 2 bases, doom, doom. So again in the video, because I did this with a partner, so I kind of like controlled the booty with my hands. Magic booty control hands. All the girls did is from here, they went contract, and then their hips hit back. So it was like a down back. Guys, you can do whatever you want. You can do the same thing, doom, doom, just match it. Then after we hit this, you have 2 choices. She's gonna say, you gonna sweat the weave out. So I'm gonna go right, left with my right hand. Also, if you have long hair, another option is to go right, left. Or even if you don't have long hair, it's just not, you're not gonna get as much width. So either way, whether you're doing this with your hand or with your neck, it's gonna match the same. Weave out, then you're gonna go right, left with your hands. You're gonna bring your elbows in, and then you're gonna slide right, left. And I'm literally just like really chill on this. So this is fast. Right, left, click, yeah. Then you're gonna bring your right foot in, you're gonna go down and press up, punch to prep, pull to turn around, then you're gonna go grab and. So you're gonna say, you go. Then you're gonna roll your hips to the right, and then push on that last one. Whew. All right. We're almost to the end, actually. You guys are doing amazing. So let's actually go back from the top one time, put it all together slow, and then we'll add the last couple 8 counts on, yeah? So you go 5, 6, 7, 8, you hold the 1. Lollipop, click, click, and in some J's. Doom, doom on the dance. Top, 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 time to wait. Shoom, I take my time and chill. Doom, doom on some young, dumb, click, top, top. Pull through, right, left, up, push, and slow. Well, I'm back again, A, and left, right, left, through, hips, doom, doom. The weave out, right, left, in, chill, chill, dinner reservations. You gon' hold, and woo, we're gonna pull through. So you'll hear I'm kind of giving you guys like a mixture of lyrics and beats like I normally do. It's really important to remember when I'm switching to the lyrics. So after click, 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 and done, she's gonna say, dinner reservation. And if you remember dinner reservation, you're gonna be able to get that timing first time because you already are listening for those lyrics. So, last part. You just did pull through here. You literally have like 4 counts to just walk and look cool, look cute, whatever your vibe is. You're just gonna step on that left foot, then you're gonna step out, and there's gonna be 3 beats. Click, goom, goom. Our vibe is down, sit into the first one, right, and then either center or left, either one. So down, right, left. You can do this however you want. When I partnered with the girls, I came behind them and I kind of like control, again, there's a lot of magic booty hands in this routine, but I'm basically like click, goom, goom, like I'm controlling their hips and they're like click, goom, goom. Style that however you want. If you're by yourself, just do the same thing, it's fine. Then from here, easy, bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4. You go ta, you smack your legs back. Then you go ta, you smack your legs forward and your hands come together. Then just 2 grooves. You're gonna go groove, groove, and your hands are brushing down, kind of your own style. Then you're gonna go come here, come here. A double come here, girl. Come here, come here. So your hands, right hand starts it. You're going right hand, then you go right hand again. Now this is technically where the routine stopped in class, but I'm gonna just teach you guys this last little bit that we added on because it's fun. You're gonna push your hips around like this, like a little like whoop with that left hand. And then I do a little twisty just for fun like this, yoop. And then you're gonna do 3 steps. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna step back on your left. And as you step back, it's gonna send you into a body wave. Gee, 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 gee. And there's about like that, like 6 like doom, 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 all these beats. So you can isolate that as much as you want. Then all I did from there was roll up, and I bounced off of this snare, click, and then I did 2 body rolls like that, and then did some sweet freestyle moves. Yeah, not that one anymore. No, we need a new trendy move. 2019, we need a new move. But guys, that's it. You made it to the end of the combo. Amazing job. Super easy at the end. It's all about vibe. It's that beginning part that's a little more technical. So let's do this back from the top. First nice and slow, and then all the way up to speed so that you guys can go check it with the music. Ready? From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold the 1. Lollipop, cut, cut, and in some J's. Doom, doom on the dance. Ba, 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 da, throw. Whoom, I take my time with it. Chill. Doom, doom on some young, dumb click. Tap, tap, pull through. Doom, doom, ha, chill, and slow. Well, I'm back again, A, and D, 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 if your man look good, and through, and doom, doom. The weave out, right, left, in, chill, and dinner reservation. You gon' hips, push, 1, 2, 3, you got a long time. 7 and 8, bounce, 1, 2, 3, top, top, 7, 8. Come here, girl, 3, around if you wanna add this part. Bass, bass, bass. It goes doom, 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 boom. And back it up for me. Yo, amazing job. I can't see you guys, but you know the deal. I'm gonna trust that you're killing it over there. If not, if you don't have it quite yet, like rewind as many times as you need. Remember, not everybody can do the 10-minute challenge. I can't even probably do the 10-minute challenge. That stuff is crazy. So rewind as many times as you need. But when you're ready, we're gonna go full speed from the top right now, right after I take this deep breath. Okay, there it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. Lollipop, and in some J's. Doom, doom on the dance. Tap, 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 boom, waves, boom, I take my time. Chill. Goom, goom on some young, dumb, ha, tap, tap, boom, and doom, doom, and low and slow. Well, I'm back again. A, going hit, D, 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 and boom, goom, goom. The weave out, king, king, and dinner reservation. You gon' eat out, boom. 3, 4, 5, 6, click, goom, goom, bounce. 2, 3, tap, tap, chill, chill. Come here. And slow, and bass, bass, bass. King, 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 come on. Back it up for me, yay, yo. Yo, great job today, you guys. Hard routine, way to kill it. I wanna see your videos for this, so make sure once you learn it and you post it, tag us in your covers. Make sure you subscribe to the channel too, turn on notifications. We'll be back, more tutorials soon, and I'll see you guys back in the studio ASAP. Rocky or Ferg, whatever one's your favorite. All right, cool, peace.